Hello there, dear viewer. Welcome to another one of my videos. Not too long ago, I bought this hose for waste circulation for the pool. Unfortunately, for some reason, I guess I had a little bit of a brain fart, and the diameter of the hose is larger than the outlet on the water pump. But luckily, I have a 3D printer, so in this one, we're gonna solve this little problem. Well, problem of my own making. But yeah, let's get into it. Nice. Alright, and just like that, the adapter is in place. Now all I need to do is make a small test with the waste circulation, and hopefully that's gonna go well. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, and what was initially a pretty big mistake with buying the wrong diameter has been fixed with 2.5 hours of printing. Now, as you can see, there is a little bit of leakage here, but I feel like I can fix that pretty easily with some Teflon tape around the adapter. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.